Hello everyone, welcome to LimeGuru channel. In this session, we are going to learn about AWS Lightsail. So what is AWS Lightsail? So basically, whenever you need any compute environment on cloud, so there are a couple of choices. Either you can go to AWS, you can go to GCP, you can go to Microsoft Azure, right? But AWS is one of the prominent cloud provider where you can leverage your compute environment. And in all those compute environment, Lightsail is one of the most easiest service which you can use for your compute purpose. So let's say you want to deploy any lightweight application. For example, you want to host a WordPress website. You want to host any non-WordPress website, but it has quite lesser traffic, which is at a smaller scale. It's not a large scale application which you want to deploy. In all those scenarios, Lightsail can solve your challenges of application deployment. It is fast. It is extremely fast. In just few clicks, you can open up your Lightsail console. You can launch a Lightsail instance, and then you can deploy your application. So in a way, what it is, right? So it's a kind of a VPS. It's a VPS. And what VPS is? It's a virtual private server. Virtual private server. So you can think of VPS as, let's say you have a big physical server, and that big physical server is divided into multiple VPS. So you will get your own dedicated resources in terms of memory, in terms of storage, in terms of networking. So all of those would be dedicated to you. This instance will have its own dedicated resources. This instance will have its own, and so the other instances. So AWS Lightsail on cloud, what it provides is that on the go, on the fly, you can create your VPS server, virtual private server, and then you can deploy your applications. Why you would like to go for AWS Lightsail? Because one of the thing is, I told you that it's fast. In just few clicks, your instance is ready and your app ready to deploy your application. Along with the fast nature of this AWS Lightsail, it is very much cheaper also. So there are other compute environments also available, as I was saying. So AWS has EC2, it has container environment, it has Lambda environment, where you can deploy your serverless architecture, or you can deploy your container-based application, or you can deploy your large-scale application. So there are different compute environments. But compared to all of these compute environments, Lightsail is much cheaper as compared to all of these environments. So if you are on a low-budget scenario where you want to host your small applications, you want to just, let's say, do some testing, you want to host some production application which are lightweight, then you can go ahead for Lightsail. And some more features AWS Lightsail provides. For example, whenever you launch a Lightsail instance, you don't need to take care of any infrastructure. You don't need to take care of any networking configuration. You don't need to take care of any your load balancing needs. If you want to little bit scale up your application and you want to hide it in behind a load balancer, Lightsail provides that. You don't need to do any specific configuration for your storage in terms of SSDs. So it provides SSDs as a underlying storage, and all the underlying infrastructure you don't need to worry about in terms of reliability, accessibility, in terms of availability. So all of these things are taken care by AWS Lightsail. You don't need to configure any of these things. And along with that, Lightsail comes in two flavors. Either you can have managed VPS, or you can have unmanaged VPS. Now, what are the difference between managed and unmanaged VPS? So whenever you are going to launch an instance, you are going to get these things. Along with that, you are going to get a OS, right? But in an unmanaged instance, you're just going to get OS. Rest all softwares, rest all whatever things you require to be installed for your specific application deployment, you need to install it yourself. And that is why it is called unmanaged. But there is a feature of managed VPS also. Let's say you want to have a WordPress site, or you want to, let's say, install Nginx, or you want to install LAMP stack, or you want to install any Nginx stack, right? So any stack, any specific software requirements you have in a managed VPS, you can just tell at the time of launching your Lightsail that you need these applications, and then AWS Lightsail instance will provision it for you. So it is managed by AWS. You will get your instance with all of these applications ready, and of course OS will also be there, right? And in terms of OS choices also, in both unmanaged or managed, you get multiple OS choices. You get different versions of Linux or Unix. You get even Windows servers also. So all of those things are being provided by AWS Lightsail. These are all the benefits, like what AWS Lightsail provides. It's a VPS. It provides managed and unmanaged servers. It abstracts out all the complexities of infrastructure, networking, load balancing, storage, underlying infrastructure. It's very fast. You can, in few clicks, you can launch your instance, and then you are ready to deploy your applications. And above all, it's cheaper compared to all other compute environments. For example, EC2, Elastic Containers, Lambda, everything. If I compare with other cloud vendors also, it's much cheaper compared to any of the compute environment that you can get for your lightweight applications. And some more features I'm going to tell you about AWS Lightsail is that, let's say you have some other AWS services running. You have some more AWS services running. It could be your database. It could be your any other compute environment. So these are not running inside Lightsail, but these are running outside Lightsail. So using from Lightsail, you can connect to any of your other AWS managed services also, be it your managed database, managed compute environment, or even you can use it for your CDN, content delivery network, be it your emails, be it your servers, SMS. So anything you want to deliver specific to any content you want to deliver through emails or SMS, so Lightsail can connect to your CDN also. So these are also a seamless features provided by AWS Lightsail that you can connect to. And some more features it provides in terms of snapshots, right? So let's say you have created your instance, Lightsail instance. So snapshot feature, what it does is that from time to time, you can create a snapshot of your Lightsail instance. So snapshot, you can think it of as a backup. So in case you want to turn off your Lightsail instance and then you want to restore Lightsail instance later on, you can restore it using snapshot, but you have to create snapshot first. If you have not created snapshot and you delete your Lightsail instance, everything is gone. So you need to create your snapshot instance, and then later on you can restore everything within your Lightsail instance the same way it was running earlier using snapshots, right? One more thing, like in terms of networking, what all things it provides. So when you launch your Lightsail instance, it will give you an IP address, but by default this IP address is going to be dynamic, right? So what I mean by dynamic, every time you are going to restart your instance, a new IP address is going to be assigned. But if you don't want this dynamic nature, you want a static IP, you can create a static IP also, so that every time your public IP remains static, your public IP does not change. You can change this behavior within AWS Lightsail instance. When after it gets created, you can say that you need a static public IP and it will be provisioned to you. And above all, you can also define your DNS. So you can associate a particular domain name with your static IP, and then you can access your website or your application using a domain name. And also you can configure a load balancer. So let's say if you have multiple instances of your Lightsail instances, you can all keep it behind your load balancer so that your traffic gets distributed across multiple instances. So all of these features in terms of networking are provided by AWS Lightsail. And one last thing I want to talk about is that how it is different from other VPS. So VPS you can get in other hosting environment also. But let's say if you have hosted a VPS on some another provider, what you may have faced a challenge is that, let's say today you are running your application on, let's say, 1 GB RAM, and tomorrow you want to migrate to 2 GB RAM. So you have to set up all the things again, right? So you need a new VPS, you will set up everything on a new VPS again. But with AWS Lightsail, it's all seamless. You can anytime scale up, you can anytime scale down your resources. So anytime you want more storage, more memory, more processors in terms of CPUs, so you can scale up. Or whenever you don't need more resources, you want to reduce your cost, you can scale down and anytime, and your application deployment will be seamless, right? So you will have a seamless experience. You don't need to reinstall everything on your new VPS. It is all taken care by AWS Lightsail infrastructure or a cloud environment that you can easily scale up and scale down your resources if you go with AWS Lightsail. That is also one of the great feature when it comes for usage of AWS Lightsail. And as I mentioned that where all you can use this AWS Lightsail, so it's quite efficient for small website, lightweight applications like WordPress, like Nginx based HTTP servers. You want to host your LAMP kind of tech stack. You want to have Drupal, your GitLab kind of environment. So, or any static website you want to host, right? Which doesn't have a huge traffic like a large scale enterprise would have. So in all those scenarios, you can have AWS Lightsail as your preferred choice of infrastructure. So I hope you get the idea about AWS Lightsail. This is all what I wanted to cover. If you like this session, do press the like button, do share this knowledge with others also, and do not forget to subscribe Lime Guru channel. Thank you very much.